Hey friends, welcome to Project Homestead. Today is a come with us day. I have to get a video out for you guys tomorrow and I've got a lot of party preparation. This little girl right here is getting ready to go to Hogwarts because she's turning 11. And so we have got stuff going on. She's currently right now making some golden snitches. She's taking off the wrappers and she's taking off these little wrappers and then taking off that. And all we have to do is add some little wings to it. Perfect. I've got a little guy over there who is playing the new Zelda game because he has got these little white pus things growing in the back of his throat.
Yeah, I actually sneezed one out and he's like this big. I mean just pus and white and squishy and...
Okay. Hamish.
We don't need a barf.
So today I thought I would bring you guys along with me as we did some party things. We're going to be making some golden snitches. We're going to be making some Harry Potter wands. We're going to be collecting dragon eggs for the kids to paint, aka rocks that look like eggs. We are going to be thinking of wizard names. We are going to be painting a photo booth. We're going to be making a cake.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get that all in this video because I'm going to have to focus most of my time and energy on actually doing these things.
There might be part 2.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to focus my time on doing this stuff, but I'll try and show you guys as much as I possibly can. I'm feeling really run down today, but there's no time for that. There's no rest for the women. I just made that up, you know, no rest for the weary. No rest for the women, aka moms.
Every time I take off a sticker or a wrapper, it's so hard not to eat these because the chocolate smell and all the hazelnut comes out.
Hazelnut's her favorite.
Oh!
She wants to eat them. Don't eat the snitches. And if you eat one, I'll know. They'll snitch on you because it won't fit back in there. Get my joke? All right, so what have I done so far? Let me show you. All right, so last night I made these little Harry Potter tags and they will go on the outside of a candy apple, which I'll put in their little gift bags. The kids will get a little gift bag like this, and on the front of it,
it's gonna have a little sticker of a Harry Potter tie or a Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, or Slytherin.
Yeah, it's gonna have one of the different ties of the different houses.
I get Hufflepuff because we have a sorting hat. We got a sorting hat, and it said Hufflepuff from the first cup. And all like the 50 million Harry Potter.
Said Slytherin.
No.
No, on hers it said Hufflepuff.
Yeah, Mom got Ravenclaw. All the quizzes I took also said Hufflepuff, which I thought was funny.
She's afraid to put the sorting hat on at the party because she doesn't want to not get Hufflepuff.
I love Hufflepuff.
She's obsessed with Hufflepuff. I also got these little bubbles. I don't know. So the gift bags will have a candy apple, a bookmark, a golden snitch, a bubble, and I don't know if I might think of something else. I might not.
Mom,
Let's get going.
it's time for the big pack.
That's long tape.
The hazelnut is getting to me. It's just a trash pile. Oh. Open it. I was trying to have a cool thing. Thank you. Okay, how long has it taken me?
5 minutes and 32 seconds. See if there's scissors in that bag over there because we got to open up the glue gun.
Okay.
Okie dokie. So, we've got our glue gun. It's low temperature, so it's not going to burn my fingers off. Got some glue sticks. And we've got, hopefully, what's going to be the base of our wand. So I couldn't find longer ones. I bet I could find longer ones at Spotlight.
What longer ones?
Longer ones of these.
Oh.
Should we do that? I just feel like it's gonna snap in half. We should just go to Spotlight really
But
quick.
it's hot glue. Hot glue won't snap. It's really thin.
Let's go. I almost said let's run down to Hogwarts really quick. I've got Harry Potter in my brain. Let's just run to Hogwarts and see if we can find wands. Longer wands.
Yeah, let's go run to Hogwarts and steal some kids' wands.
Are you gonna help? Did you helping?
My
Coco's.
familiar is helping us. Actually, no, she's just like.
If there's a box, there's a Coco. Where'd you come into?
Five
Ooh,
pieces.
Lily's making a debut. You can see her head in the corner there.
Hi, Lily. Come on. No! She's sniffing the camera.
Coco's spreading out. She's like, you can't have my box. It's mine.
Come here, Lily. No?
Lily is
Yeah, she's
such
walking away.
a scaredy cat. Lily! What is this? What is this, Lily? She's like, oh, that's terrifying. What is this? What is this? What is this? I think I'm gonna run a Spotlight really quick, guys. We'll be back. All right, we found these longer sticks. We're happy with that. We found some stuff for the wings. We've got some paint for dragon eggs. And little stars to add in potions. We're back, and we've got longer sticks. Much longer sticks. So these can go be for something else. And there's 10 sticks in each of these, so I have a total of 40 to make 41s.
Mom, for the wands, we should have a sign that says Ollivander's Wand Shop.
Oh, that's really cool.
These are wands.
Did you come in to help? Coco, I just need a little bit of the box. Thank you.
Ron.
Ron, which one's that? They don't have Dumbledore's wand on there, do they?
Yeah, but we can just look at a picture later. I'm pretty sure it's got like thick. Look at you, killer. Oh my gosh, it's adorable.
Macy, I got a horse. Can I how to spell Oreo?
Okay, let me just.
She's so funny.
Oreo.
Alright. I'm just going to try and put a little glue at a time. Make sure that if you do this, you don't get hot glue sticks for a low glue gun, heat-wise, because it definitely will ruin your gun. I had a high temperature gun and I put low temperature glue sticks in it and it exploded, my gun. So I've learned my lesson. I'm just trying to go around and make it. Can you show them that so that what it looks like?
It's a bit blurry right now, just let it. Oh my god, now it's focusing.
Is it focused? So I'm just adding to.
Oh, look at how cute Coco is. Little fat cat. So cute.
Oh, that's
No!
not good. This is hot.
Naughty!
This is hot. It was the glue strings. I got her.
Yeah, that's probably what it was.
Got her
I was
very
thinking.
interested.
Now we are going to whittle the end.
So we're just going to take off a little bit.
You're funny.
I know, I'm so funny. Am I funnier than Dad?
No.
Ugh. My heart breaketh. Alright, so Macy wants to do Hermione's wand. So,
Hermione's and wands. Not wands. Rons. This is mixed.
like that.
Yeah.
Macy's just adding a little bit of details that she wants to add to her wand.
I started painting my wand. It's not finished yet though because the tip is white and other detail.
She wants more detail on it. She's got a lot more painting to do, but here's kind of a gist of what the wands are going to look like in the end. Guys, I haven't even gotten to the cake yet. My hair is nuts. Oh my goodness, I haven't even gotten to the cake. I haven't gotten to much of anything, really. I don't feel like I've done much at all. I'm mostly working on the wands off and on, and then when my hands start to hurt, then I do the snitches. So I've got a whole bunch of the golden snitches. Aren't those so cute? Like next level. I love that. And the wands are coming along quite nicely. They're just all different. However, you know, and the kids can paint these to have their own wand. And right now I'm just going and putting the handles on. I will continue to add detail to the different wands once they've all got some sort of like a handle, you know. So I am going to leave this video here, even though there is so much more to do, but I will bring you guys along with myself as I go and do the party things, because there's a lot more to do, and then show you guys the whole thing. So this is going to be like a Harry Potter week on my channel. We're all Harry Potter fans here, and so if you are a Harry Potter fan as well, then you will really enjoy these videos this week. If you're not a Harry Potter fan, then I'm sorry. I'm sorry for the boring video. Friday, I'm going to be doing a video about intermittent fasting, and I really want to talk about tips and tricks. I was asked recently if I could do a video like that, and I thought that's a really good idea because I actually have a lot of tips and tricks. And so I'm going to be doing that video, and I probably will be intermittent fasting during that video as well, since I just started my cycle, TMI, but that is the best time for us to fast as women, is when we're on our cycle. So it's a really good time for me to do that type of a video. That's it for this video, guys. I'm gonna just water the garden. It's not been doing so well, my garden. Like the pumpkin's got some weird stuff going on there. I have a pumpkin flower, look. Guys, I almost pulled this plant out because look at it. Like, what is this? What is that? I don't really get it. But look. I have a pumpkin flower. Maybe I'll leave it. I'll leave it and I'll hope for the best. Like, what is that on the pumpkin? So now I'm curious if I have any more pumpkin flowers. But as you can see right there, that's potato. That's potato. But man, that's exciting, the pumpkin flower. So I'm just gonna water this bed, and then I'll water here. It's not been doing good, and I'm watering. I don't get it. I don't understand. We're getting some flowers on our strawberries, so that's good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and water everything. And that's it for this video, friends. I will see you again on Wednesday for more Harry Potter party stuff, and we'll show you the whole entire thing, what we've gotten up to over the next couple days. So until then, guys, bye.